Hi everyone, Ridhvesh Finance bring the table one of the hot equity target, and this hot equity target is month of May. The Meta platform is there, Amazon platform is there, Apple Incorporation is there, Alphabet incorporation is there, and that we will not go as per the stock. Amazon is there, and then we have one of the cheapest wait a moment, we have one of the cheapest company, not cheapest stock, sorry, penny stock or cheapest stock, and that is HDFC Bank. So all these how many videos are there? Five videos are available for you on today itself. So do you believe it or not? Let me know into the comments. Yes, all of you, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Look, whatever we are delivering as of now, that is just grabbing the subscriber. So, whenever you wanted to invest, you should study from your end and then only invest it. This is just for entertainment purpose. We are uploading the video. We are not doing deep dive analysis over here. Ridhvesh Finance having a mantra. We are from India, so we use this word as mantra. We believe that steady. See, when you are eating something, you eat for your body. Similarly, when you are investing something, you are investing for your better future. So in that case, you have to study first and then invest into the market. Okay, so that's all about Ridhvesh Finance. Says that all of you just think about, yeah, we will say the HDFC Bank will be the great stock for all of you for a long term in case you are interested to invest. We are not recommending that you should or you do. We say that is his choice is yours. As all, everybody have a freedom to manage their own wallet. So it's all about Ridhvesh Finance, and we will upload the number of video in the month of May. So don't wait, don't just wait. You can be watch our YouTube channel on every weekend at least, because we are majorly available on weekend. So hopefully, guys, you also love it to us. And yes, absolutely. We will not talk too much. There will be lockdown is expecting. People are talking. The lockdown before that, we are recommending number of stocks of tech companies. So, do you believe in our statistic? Let me know into the comment. It's all about stat and rat in your wallet. So here we go. The stock of Apple Incorporation. So I think we are just rewinding again and again. We are exploring single stock. So if you have the new stock for analysis, let me know into the comments. So currently the stock is also at a peak. I mean, in the whole year, the current stock price of Apple Incorporation is 298.21 USD per stock, and it is the highest of the year, that is around 300.92 USD per stock. So suppose this stock will give a breakout, it can touch up to 330 USD per stock. Suppose if this stock will goes down, we were expecting somewhere around 265 USD per stock. This target is valid for next 3 months. This will not happen in a day, in a week. Yeah, 330 can be for within the next 2 weeks. We were expecting this target may achieve, but suppose this stock will sustain it. See, tech companies do implementation, do pre-planning everything by step. So that's the reason. But Apple Incorporation, we were expecting this stock will give it a new peak of the year, and that may probably 330 USD per stock. And suppose in next 3 months it will be goes up trending one, then it can touch up to, according to Vridhi Finance, it can touch around 380 USD, 370 USD also. So, what is your point about Apple stock? Let me know into the comments. I really appreciated your precious time with us. I'm really grateful for my audience who's spending a time on our YouTube channel watching our old videos. Even I'm thankful to all of them who's watching our old videos. And thank you, Bhavradvej Finance. Hope you will love our videos in nearest future, even while revising, repeating. I don't understand why the people are watching old videos which is just about the briefing about the companies. Even that is quite strange. If anybody knows the reason, let me know into the comments, and absolutely we will bring something more than that on this platform. Hopefully you will love it. I guess everyone want relaxing time, so chill guys to all of you.